Christmas 2015. What we've got here are a few technologies to enable us to control music and lights. For the music, we're using Android, which connects to a speaker here. So I've got an Android application I've built that has a MQTT client built into it, and when I publish events to tell it to play and stop music, it'll do just that. So my my Java application here will tell via MQTT to play a certain song. At the same time, it'll send commands to my Arduino up here, who has a web server in the application I built that translates commands into modules on this relay module, so that I can open and close circuits on these power outlets up here. I'm powering my 4 trees in total, and the left and right side of my house, as well as on 2 of the trees they power the pathway of candy canes that go to my front door. So I'll show you an example of how this works. So let's we'll do jingle beats for this demonstration. Music starting. You'll see that the relay module has light indicators to show what's going on outside. So if I come to the front of the house, you'll see that the lights are obeying the directions coming out of the finite state machine to the Arduino, who then executes open and close commands on the relay module. There you have it. So now we'll transition into jingle bells with dogs barking. Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairies. One thing I'd like to point out is the approach I took in controlling the lights. Basically, I created a collection of instructions that when each song starts, it iterates through those instructions. Each item in that collection contains a node to control, a method in the Arduino API to perform, and when in milliseconds it should occur. Now that when time is cumulative based on the last item in the collection. I don't think this is a very good approach. An improvement that I look forward to making for Christmas 2016 is to use markers in the MP3. This will make it a lot easier to program songs. Basically, I'll have a UI where I can listen to an MP3 and just click and set a marker, and when I click and set that marker, I can put data in there, and that data will kind of tell like which node to perform what API method on. That way I don't have to worry about figuring out when. I'd often listen to a song like 100 times just to figure out the right sequencing. So instead, when Android's streaming that MP3 and encounters a marker, it'll handle that marker in a callback handler. I can publish that data to my MQTT message broker, who my Arduino is a consumer of this particular topic, and my Arduino will get that event, basically perform the right API method, and we're off to the races. I hope you all found this informative. I've also released all the code in GitHub. I'll provide links with this post. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and I look forward to sharing with you in 2016.